Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, well, go on, Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. I am going to talk about certain situations that have been brought to my attention. Anyways, my people, so listen. I am going to present to you pieces of videos that have been recorded within the country of Jamaica, and these pieces of videos are about a situation where a structure was being destroyed. So I got the understanding that the police were at the location when certain things happened to viewers subscribers, and based on some words that have been said in these pieces of videos, it seems as if the situation is about land dispute. In one of these pieces of videos, you can hear a female talking about the situation. See, so let me present one video to you first, and let me present the other one to you, my people. I mean, in my point of view, this is a sad situation. Yeah, it's a sad situation. So I'm just bring your attention to it, and you can let me know what I think about this type of situation. Some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe.
No quarrel already. Already, don't quarrel. Don't quarrel. Don't quarrel. Pull up the woman chair. The pull up the work. I get no fiction note. I get no final letter. I get no final letter. Me don't get no final letter. Me don't get no final letter. Leave me place. Me don't get no final letter. 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 Leave me place. Me don't get no final letter. Me have to get final letter. Mr. Francis is supposed to carry back a court. Leave me do it. Let me do all work. Let me do all work. Me don't get no final letter. Me don't get no final letter. Mr. Boss.
Well, and my people, I hope you hear certain words said in that piece of video. So I say, I hope you hear certain words said in that piece of video. Listen to the next video. Look and listen to the next video now. Look and listen to the next one. Observe with my people.
This is Kemi Vatican Sunday. And the government roadside, and I'm seeking help from it because I don't want to be safe in no trouble. I'm going to seek help from you kindly. There's a man named Mr. Francis. He come a court with me and some other people. He come as an owner. Louis Cove Limited, the land name. And he come as an owner with a title what is not for the land. And he come as an owner and he didn't get no charge. And remember, being government roadside, this is the only income that I have.
Roadside, see the roadside.
And Mr. Kenneth Francis, a police. I don't know, he have judge, he have everybody locked. With the money, with the dirty money.
Yeah man, all police look. Police have locked, everybody have locked.
In the corrupt court, he go in a court, he come as a owner and everybody, and him and the owner for the land. He come with a title and the title and for the land. In fraud the system, and all now we can't get no justice. Remember, see how near the road me there. The man when he and Mr. Granfield come and do a survey here and say the shop is not on the land, it's on government roadside. And a peer fight me again. Police come and fight me all for all pumpkin. They fight me for all the pumpkin me put up. The money just come.
Yeah man.
One money just come we say around with the law system, see me? Him the take down my TV, in the mash up my place. Me not have no other income.
Them pay him off, man. Them pay him off.
Mr. Francis up me as a
man.
fool.
Yeah, man.
And me can't get no justice. Prime Minister.
Turn your face in the camera, sir. Turn your face in the camera. We are hiding for. Turn your ugly face in the camera. You pay him off.
People, when I look on a situation, I'm not sure what is what. You see me? It's sad. No, it's sad still. But if some words that the female said in the video are accurate, then that just messed up. Notice me say if. You see me I say that's just messed up. You see me I say, but here what me I go say, because me have more than 2 elder family relatives of mine tell me this. When it comes down to land, well, come here, come see land. And we most likely might go and leave it. And I think I understand what they are trying to say. Yes, I say. So in my point of view, saying, yes, we should obey the law and respect the law and so forth. I don't have no problem with obeying the law. But I was wondering if we all could just try find a way for each and every one of us to live together and live as one, you know, and make everybody can survive and be at peace and be okay. You know what I mean? But maybe let me know anything about that situation there. You see it? If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. On to the next topic. So I saw a live recording on social media about a situation where it is said that a person had been accused of being gay. My people, I got the understanding from the live recording that I watched and listened to that police from within the country of Jamaica went at a location within the country of Jamaica, and there's a video recording that shows a person who some persons in the live recording was talking about doing sexual activity. In my point of view, it seems as if there were persons who did not like what they saw in the video. At least one person at more than 1 point of the live recording shows at least a part of the video that shows what is considered to be, I'm going to say, a type of activity that I don't want to totally explain. My people, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that are from the live recording that I saw and watched so that you can get a better understanding about the situation. And based on what you're about to see and hear in these pieces of videos, you can tell what you think about the situation. It's set away. Some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
One money going in a 600 and people over here. I'm showing the video. Listen, paper. We can try. Hold on, no, we have to know what we are doing. Remember, we told you now. Paper, we catch a boy. I'm a fornicate. See? Over. See? So what you know? Send one money going if you don't want me. I show you radio vehicle we have him. Radio vehicle we have him. See video you ready for charge. We have a video. No, I go post. Send a money ready for charge. No, no. No, we don't have to once here. Brother, no. Blow that the part I phone, brother. The phone no works so that. People, talk to them. See video ready if you show them in a WhatsApp, you know. Ready. Send we money gun. No. Use up the gloves. Send we shoot. Send we Rosalie. Thinking what? Boy in a radio vehicle. See there. Boy in there. See there. Boy in there. Phyllis, they're not sending money gun. I'll send the money gun. I will show them now. Send the money gun now, people. Send the money gun. Money gun. Shoot. What? Shoot. See it there. Road. Passy. Double up the rose them then. Jordan quote for you. I know if I Jordan quote I did in there. We don't rose who want. We want see the see video they look. Oh no, send the money gun I will show you video. No. One money gun I will show you video. Serious vehicle above. So it's serious, it's justice. Live. Justice. Turn back. Justice. Justice. How you mean? Send the money gun now. Money gun. Shoot. Send me missing here. Money gun. Send the money gun. Yo. money gun now, I'm sending. Send the money gun now. Shoot! Send the money gun, I'll show a video. Send the money gun now. Call on him. Where you say boy do?
Sex matter. Sex with God. Yo, dog. I lost out to there.
See woman they are watching live? No. Watch the people them are watching live? No. You see they are look for the same thing on the phone. Remember when you want to see boom. Abrasion, yo, big up yourself, phenomenal. For that gift there. One, double up that 10 times. Come on, complete the live goal. See people them are look for it there. Shoot! Send the money gun. Shoot! Oh, I see Iris, what you say? Money gun. Money gun, Iris. How much you have over there? This is not about Iris, man. 208. No, man. And then I said,
Yeah, my people, so those pieces of videos are from a live recording that I watched and listened to about a situation where they said that a man had been accused of being gay and police arrive at the location and you hear some words that have been said in those pieces of videos. Well, what much to say? How much what to say? Well, either ways, that one they set away. So what you think, my people? What you think about that, the situation? Eh? Anyways, I think I have some other left it still. Big up and respect each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch.